Hello, my name is Michael Lawrence, and these are two IT certifications that you should have after graduating from this program. The first one is the CCNA that you get from Cisco. Cisco is the #1 company in networking. It was started in San Francisco, California, and still resides its headquarters in California. Their revenue is $49.33 billion a year, and between the years 1995 and 1996, it acquired 11 companies to get as big as it is today. The CCNA itself is valid for 3 years and costs somewhere between $325 to $600. There's no prerequisites to get the CCNA, but you can get the CCNT or the CCT for just optional license. This is a mid-level certification. The jobs you're able to get are network administrator, network IT, network engineer, IT director, and senior network engineer. And as you can see, it starts from entry level to going to high level type situations. Of course, when you get to your senior network engineer, you'll need more than a CCNA, but you still have to start with your CCNA first. The second certification is the CompTIA A+ certified. The company, Computing Technology Industry Association, world headquarters is in Downers Grove, Illinois. It started off as Association of Better Computer Dealers, ABCD for short, back in 1982. The revenue of this company is $60 million a year, and it is a vendor-neutral professionals in over 120 countries. The A+ certification only costs $200 compared to the $325 and $600 as a CCNA, and is also valid for 3 years. This one's a entry-level certification, and it is the only major non-vendor specific hardware certification available, and is also open to anybody. The CompTIA certified jobs are mostly entry and mid-level. It's help desk, computer technician, IT specialist, and at most system admin. Still very important jobs, but not as important not as difficult as the CCNA. But I believe both of them together could give you a great start off into the IT job field. This is my works cited page where I got all my information and resources, and I do thank you for your time.